What's going on, everyone? This is Sean with Forex with Finesse. I just called this trade in our chat on UCAD, USD CAD. I have having a line chart because I wanted to show everyone about this area. We just called a buy on this pair. And the reason why, we turn on the lights, we always mark up with our line chart first. We teach our students to look at more precise lines to mark up zones before we go and look at candlesticks. So I already marked this up. I saw this pair going up bullish. It broke out this zone and continued to the upside. Then we had rejection over here. So this formed a huge double top and rejection to this area as well. So right now we see UCAD coming back down to this zone that I've marked right here. It looks like a mid-range zone. And we want to see and gather more data on the lower time frames, what's going on. So you'll see what these arrows mean in a bit. Keep those in mind. So I marked the zone because I saw the price to come to this area. You can see how we expected this area as resistance, came back down, broke through it, and now it might be retesting it as support. So going to the left, looking at everything that's going on, we can see that this area was respected quite a few times. So that's one indication that I was looking for a buy. I waited for the candle to close from last week. The market just opened. Today is June 7th. It's Sunday, 9:30 p.m. in New York. So going through the time frames, you want to see how the market has opened, and we're already in this trade, already up some pips. So coming to see the market, we can see that the sellers right around this area the past couple of days last week, they were pretty slow. They're losing their momentum. I like to look at the size of the candles as a way of strength. Not only just candlestick patterns, but we can see the sellers running it. The bears are in and they're running it. And then over here, they start to slow up. We see some rejections to the downside. This is on the 4-hour. We're going to zoom out and see what we can see to the left of that zone. And we can see that price came here, broke through it, but struggled. So the bears were in, and now the bulls are coming in. It went for their stop losses, closed them out definitely. And now it looks like we may be retesting this bottom as support. Looking at the past couple of candlesticks, let's zoom in and get some more data. We can see that price was respecting this area, hitting buyer stop loss because they all bought over here. And now we're in the real zone. Could be another fake out, but for the price action that we're getting, I think this might be a good trade. So now we're going to drop it down to the 4-hour and the 1 hour and see what we can get. So here I see a triple bottom, wicks to the downside. I do see the bearish engulfing candle over here, candle being bigger than this one. And then we have some dojis, and the strength of the bears looks like they're weakening, they're losing. So dropping this down to the 15-minute, you'll see why I drew these arrows. Okay, let's zoom out, scale that down a little bit. Triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. Over here, turning off the lights, we have a W. I can see a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder right over here, taking off. We got in right down here. This is when we call this trade. You can see it right here. And if we go back, this was it right before. And we called this trade out not too long ago at 9:04. That was 25 minutes ago. Right in this candle we got in. So we're in profit already. 10 pips. So I would like to see how this plays out. Right now, we can move our stop loss to break even, and we can see how price reacts to this range over here. Again, the market just opened, but we're also believers if the setup comes to you and you have the right candlestick formations, this is all price action over here. You have your higher time frame directional bias. If your confirmations line up, take the trade. No fear, no emotions in it. Don't slow up on me now. Don't slow up on me now. All right, there we go. So I'm liking this price action that I got over here. I have the inverted head and shoulders. There's left shoulder here. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. This is a triple bottom. Retesting this area, never broke the low. So all this lining up kind of signifies a buy for me. So we got in right around here. We see price coming up. Sellers are weakening. We're in profit 10 pips. We can hold this up and see how it plays out for us. I'll give you guys an update as this trade proceeds. I hope you guys enjoyed our content. Please follow us on Instagram at Forex with Finesse. Also on Facebook. Our Gmail is tradingwithfinesse@gmail.com. Please subscribe to us. We're always looking for more students, always trying to give everyone as much information about Forex, especially with everything going on in the world today. Take care, everyone. Have a great day and stay safe.